I believe you when you said to me that you want me to share love with you, but you did not give our love a chance. Yes, you did want me for a while, and then you changed. Now I got to let you go. I always think about you, can't get you off my mind. My heart is burning for you. Boy, I want you. You are the only one who makes me feel like I'm a queen. Baby, I love you, I need you tonight.
The very essence of your presence, the times we were sharing in your residence. You could have all my dead presidents. You got me so emotional, atypical. You got me flipping up my logicals. Now I'm losing all my mentals. Without a thought or doubt in my mind, I give you everything of mine. Define love divine. Give me your trust, believe in me. You and I, till we die, can't deny. You know you'll be fly. Get down with the flow, I'll be bringing it on the go. Just throw your hands up in the air, let it go. What you wanna do when it's time to rock? Just grab your girl and brother, join the flock. Cause the time to get it on is now, and fly high to the bass and the treble and my, oh my. We be bouncing to a different groove, actually. We're doing what we love, it's my destiny.
I want to be treated like a classy lady should be, because I need your respect. Oh baby, I want to be treated like a classy lady should be. Please treat me like the queen. Now I will be there for you whenever you call me. You don't have to worry, I'm all yours. You got all my love, I will be there for you whenever you call me. Baby, I know what you need. Leave it to me, boy, you'll be happy.
Coming up with a bomb bass and you give chase to the rhymes I be bringing to the mic in your face. What you gonna do when I come for you? Call you out to the stage with a battle for two. Don't choke on the Bambury, cause you better have it all on the floor indeed. I come spitting fire, killing your desire, so you better be prepared to be calling me sire. I remember back in the days when I was young in the car, cruising down Devonshire towards the double F arc. At the stoplight on Balboa Boulevard, to my right a rice rocket revving me and pulling hard. I pop it in the first and revving back, good to go. The light turns green, pop the clutch and hammer throw. 8200 hitting red in the two. Hit the nos and say goodbye, and I'll see you in my rear view.
I'm a beast. You funny rappers nothing but feast. Playing in the game but you're under my cleats. Up in my street for me, come feed. You can't do this cause it's only one me. You never seen light skin looking so clean, and you never seen a young swag so mean. Time's getting heavy, so it's back to the fatty. Deadly, so I pin the grass like Teddy.
No one can take your place. You brighten up my life. You're a hard act to follow. Only you can feel me. My heart belongs to you. My love belongs to you. So good, it's all just for you. Na, 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 na. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah.
Gramercy my block, so I represent that. That man rolling black whips like Batman. Trap man, gossip is he so handsome. Think he own the world, man, we can't stand him. Party like a rock star, Matthew Manson. Hazardous, too close to me, catch cancer. Pastor, reverend preacher, and a bishop. One-stop shot, get your breaks and a fix-up.
Uncorruptible in nature, picture, logical, philosophical, and poetic. Similar graphics, follow my style, telekinetic, my genetics. Verbally motivated, originated for the lyrical mind, and confined to the tyrannical kind. Collaborated, bringing the concept full emancipated, coming up with your minds captivated. Introduced, induced, seduced into your main deranged, simple principle, be intercontinental. I see colors to the left and to the right, and the fight between the colors bang and clash all night. I stop and ask myself, is this real? Is it really necessary for this fight to deal with the facts of life? Ain't it hard enough? Everybody's out there hanging tough. What we need to do is stop the war on each other, there'll be no more.
I want to be treated like a classy lady should be, because I need your respect. Oh baby, I want to be treated like a classy lady should be. Please treat me like the queen I am. I will be there for you whenever you call me. You don't have to worry, I'm all yours. You got all my love. I will be there for you whenever you call me. Baby, I know what you need. Leave it to me, boy. You'll be happy.
I see you lying through your teeth. Your campaign of fear, putting blame on the innocent and acting like you're here for the citizens in line with the law. In fact, you're out for the cash, money, power ultimatum. It's been passed down through your family tree. That lust for the power and you lack morality. One day it'll catch up, do you see? Cash, money, power, no redemption to thee. 14 years back, when I was just a kid, I knew this young girl, initials SJ. Fresh in the scene, looking for a break. Took her under my wing, her heart to take. I misused the trust that had been given to me. A young man insecure and unable to see. Her love to me was really genuine. I guess it's just one of those things in time.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. No, no, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Ooh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah.
Sick of pussy cats acting Hollywood, talk a whole heap of bull and they hardly hood. Cuz stop frontin' right now before it's action cameras and then lights out. Luckily for you that they got this law, since I can't walk up to you and break your jaw. For me, it's no time for the foolishness, cause the difference is, man, I'm really doing this.
Can you tell me what this little thing called education is? The concept of it all is pretty good indeed. You learn from the books about what others did and make your own opinions like a capable kid. But later on in time you gotta learn about grams. Amid all this you gotta take the exams that stress you and pull you and in the edge judge you, make you and break you and tear you in two.